I'm 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, like it's crazy. I'm gonna show you my newest mock. It is a Lego pickup truck. Well, kind of like it can hold like motorcycles and stuff. Gotta put this on for the video. I do not know what my chain is for it. That's why. So, just can lie down on there. It holds that kind of stuff. And has horns on the top. Is unfinished design. I still need one of those for right there. So I just replaced it with the red thing. There's a minifig, regular size. You can fit in the cab easily. And you can see perfectly through the window. And mine has turning wheels. One spare tire on the back on. The back he has one siren on it. Red lights. An extended bumper. Like this little hold on thing right there. And bars right here. Here and here. Flat piece right there. Some bricks. So I called something like, I don't know, to hold a shop or something, to hold a little shop, little gas station shop, whatever it wants to hold, you can hold it. It's possible to take off all the flat parts on here, well, these flat parts, and make it a van design, but I did that already, and I wasn't really a fan of it, so I made this, and it's my own design, no one else's, and so it has flats all around here, but this, the extended bumper, I was going to make it all around, but I just couldn't find dark gray ones of these, so I put neon green ones there, so we are still working on getting dark gray parts right there, and I'll show you how we put those turning wheels on with that. Just get a square piece and do that. And my latest make. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe.